Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Flutter in VS Code. So firstly, open VS Code and go to the extensions view by clicking on Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for the and install the Flutter extensions. Open the command palette by clicking on Ctrl+Shift+B and then type Flutter and select Flutter New Project. VS Code will prompt you to locate the Flutter SDK. Select Download SDK. Choose a destination folder for your Flutter SDK installation. Once it's downloaded, click Add SDK to Path in the notification that appears, and just note that close and reopen your terminal or VS Code to apply the path changes. And that's how you do it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out. Let me know in the comments below what should I do next, and I will see you on the next one.